Coppell is known for its well-planned neighborhoods, elegant traditional homes, and thoughtfully designed modern properties. When upgrading your windows, maintaining architectural harmony is essential. The right window design doesn't just improve energy efficiency, it enhances curb appeal and preserves the character of your home. Custom double-hung windows are a versatile solution that blends timeless style with modern performance. With the right design choices, you can ensure your new windows perfectly complement Coppell's diverse architectural styles. A classic style that fits many home designs, double-hung windows have long been a favorite in residential architecture. Their balanced, symmetrical appearance works beautifully with many of the home styles found in Coppell, including traditional brick homes, colonial-inspired designs, craftsman-style residences, transitional and contemporary properties. Because both the upper and lower sashes slide vertically, double-hung windows offer a clean, structured look that complements both classic and updated exteriors. Custom grille patterns for architectural accuracy. One of the most important customization options is grille design. Grilles divide the glass into smaller panes, shaping the overall appearance of the window. For example, colonial grids create a traditional, stately look. Prairie-style grids feature perimeter detailing for a craftsman feel. Minimal or no grids offer a sleek, modern aesthetic. Matching grille patterns across your home ensures visual consistency. If your Coppell home has decorative shutters or historic detailing, selecting the right grille pattern reinforces architectural authenticity. Frame colors that complement exterior materials. Coppell homes often feature brick facades, stone accents, and neutral siding tones. Custom double-hung windows are available in a wide range of frame colors and finishes to coordinate seamlessly with these materials. Popular options include crisp white for a timeless appearance, warm neutrals that complement brick, dark frames for a modern contrast. Interior finishes can also be customized to match trim, flooring, or cabinetry, creating a cohesive design throughout your home. Proportional sizing for visual balance. Proper window proportions are critical to architectural harmony. Custom sizing ensures that new double-hung windows align with existing header heights and sill lines. Maintaining consistent spacing and alignment across multiple windows enhances curb appeal and prevents the exterior from looking uneven or mismatched. For two-story Coppell homes, ensuring vertical alignment between upper and lower windows creates a polished, professionally designed appearance. Energy efficiency built into custom designs. While design matters, performance is equally important. Coppell's hot summers and occasional cool winters make energy efficiency a priority. Custom double-hung windows can include double or triple pane insulated glass, low-E coatings to reduce solar heat gain, argon gas insulation, multi-chambered vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features help maintain indoor comfort while reducing cooling and heating costs. Modern features with traditional appeal. Today's double-hung windows combine classic style with modern convenience. Features such as tilt-in sashes make cleaning easy from inside your home. Advanced locking systems enhance security without altering the exterior appearance. These practical upgrades ensure your windows function as beautifully as they look. Enhancing property value in Coppell. Well-designed windows significantly influence first impressions. Custom double-hung windows that align with your home's architectural style increase curb appeal and boost overall property value. Potential buyers appreciate homes that maintain consistent design elements while offering modern efficiency upgrades. A personalized upgrade for your home. Every Coppell home has its own character. Custom double-hung window designs allow you to preserve that character while enhancing comfort, performance, and visual appeal. By carefully selecting grille patterns, frame finishes, and energy-efficient features, you can create a window design that feels original to your home, not like an afterthought. For homeowners seeking the perfect balance of timeless architecture and modern innovation, custom double-hung windows offer a beautiful and lasting solution tailored to Coppell living.